So you've installed Typhon, and now it's time to set up a new software wallet. Let's set one up together. Welcome back to Woodland Pools. Today, let's take a look at how we can set up a brand new Typhon software wallet. Let's jump in. Okay, so once you've installed Typhon, just come and click on the icon, launch the landing page, and here we're gonna wanna click on Create New Wallet. And remember, this is only if you wanna make a brand new Cardano wallet from scratch. If you already have an existing wallet on something like Eternal or NAMI or something like that, and you wanna clone that wallet into Typhon, in that scenario, you would click on this import option instead, and we have a separate video showing you how to do that. But for us right now, we're trying to make a brand new wallet, so let's come here and click on Create. So you need to give your wallet a name, and this can be any name you want. We're gonna go ahead and call it Woodland Pools Typhon Software Wallet. And now you need to enter a spending password. For a software wallet, anytime you need to authorize a transaction and say, yes, this is me and I want to do something with these funds, you're going to need to enter this spending password. So go ahead and create a strong spending password and we'll do the same. Great, once you've done that, agree to the terms and conditions and click on continue. So now Typhon supports 12, 15, and 24 word recovery or seed phrases, and you can choose whichever one you prefer to use. It defaults to 15, but we recommend you use a 24 word recovery phrase. It's the most secure way that you can go if you're going to be using a software wallet. So now a couple of notes on recovery phrases. This recovery phrase is literally how your private and public keys are generated to sign and authorize transactions as you on the blockchain. So if your computer were to crash or the wallet were to get uninstalled, this recovery phrase is the only way that you can recover this wallet in restore mode and get access to your funds again. If for any reason you need to do that, it's very simple. You go to restore wallet, enter these in, and you have full access to your wallet again. But on the flip side, that also means that if anybody else gets access to this recovery phrase, they will also have direct access to all of your funds as if they were you. So it's critically important that you write down all 24 words at the very least on 3 separate pieces of paper and store them in 3 different secure locations that nobody but you or people that you really trust has access to. These secure locations for your pieces of paper should be somewhere that is fire and water resistant, like a safe or something like that. Or if you want to take it one step further, you can store your recovery phrase in a crypto steel capsule or a crypto steel cassette. But for the sake of this video, we're going to go ahead and just write it down on our pieces of paper. So go ahead and write down your 24 word recovery phrase in order on your 3 different pieces of paper. We'll do the same and then we'll continue from there. Okay, once you've written it down, click on I wrote down the mnemonic securely. And so now what you need to do is you need to repeat the recovery phrase back to Typhon so that you can ensure that you've written down all of the correct words in the right order. So let's go ahead and do that. As you're typing, you see a drop down of options for the word, so that's kind of cool, makes it a little bit easier. And then obviously as we're doing this here, we say not to show it to anybody, but you're looking at ours. There's just a test wallet. We're going to get rid of this one right after the video. But once you've written down all of your words and you've confirmed them back, go ahead and click on verify and unlock. Now here we need to decide what kind of a wallet type we want to have. A single address wallet where all of your funds will be stored in one address, and this is actually also faster. Or what they call an HD wallet, which is something like what Yoroi and some of the other wallets do, where they make a new address every time you're making a new transaction. For 99% of people, it's going to make your life a lot easier if you use a single address wallet, especially when it comes time to tax time and things like that. So let's go ahead and click on single address wallet, and if you want later, you can always change it to a multi-address wallet in settings. So we're going to click on single address wallet, and here we are taken to the dashboard for our brand new Typhon software wallet. First thing I want to do is let's click on dark mode here. Oh yeah, that's much better. And so since this is our very first wallet, now we need to fund this wallet and get our funds off of the exchange onto our new Typhon wallet. And what we always recommend if this is your first time doing it is do a test transaction first, just to make sure that everything went through the way that you expected, build some confidence in the process, and then you can send the balance. We're going to go ahead and copy this address. In your exchange, go to your ADA balance and go to where either it says send or withdraw or something like that. Paste this in, put in the minimum amount they let you send as a test transaction. We'll do the same and then we'll go from there. Okay, cool. So it looks like our test transaction came in. We just sent 1 ADA to make sure everything was working as expected. So now that everything looks good, what we want to do now is do the same process again with the same address and send the remaining balance from the exchange to your wallet. We'll do the same and then we'll go from there. All right, so after a few minutes, if we click on refresh, cool, we see the rest of our balance has come in and we now have our full funds sent over from the exchange in our Typhon wallet. Cool, okay, so home stretch. Now that we have all of our funds, the last thing we need to do is delegate or stake our ADA to our preferred stake pool so we can get ADA rewards risk-free. In the next video, we'll show you how you can delegate your ADA to one or multiple stake pools. Congratulations on getting your Typhon wallet set up, and we'll see you in the next video.